the weekend, rotula na majita. Push that machine, bana bakozita.
Gale.
Maybe that's a team. Hey, yeah, we on.
Yeah, we on. Kandora no dura. Kandora ngo China.
Zamana not toto.
Afunzi, bishop.
Ara mushango otusai. Una alcohol. Asuri niko no alcohol.
Niko no mshonga.
Niko no mshonga.
Hayi.
Arari mahapa chifodzai. Ndanu abo.
Fodza.
Mshonga ngongwana. So yeah, welcome back to the podcast, man.
Street Talk Podcast, guys. We see the numbers. We see the subscribers.
Yeah.
We see everybody talking about it, sharing about it.
Yes.
I had people who were chilling and they were cosma and they were
the
hustle danga video bakuzibona nefalo.
Yeah, man. Welcome back to the podcast. Bafa hoyi Mukosi. Badimuzuru korida futhi.
Hey. Mudzimu Mukosi.
Nani korudzika hawo swamba zora ulapa na vitamin. Bomunekeza something.
Hey. Bon. Nangazenda doni duka niswana ningwana do mahongoni. Men Gale ari Mukosi ukadilira. I think she went quiet, ne? Hoping maybe to resolve the issues and all that. But I mean, like, the greediness, man. The greediness. I don't know, why would somebody sleep peacefully when you destroy somebody's life? Because because this is one problem I have, mostly as record label.
Yeah.
As you go for artist advance. See? So other who's not advance and then you haven't done anything for the artist, why would you hold on to the artist? Because I think those guys who are to shoot a music video, bonus. I think what you want a chance to go through that contract. I think you did manage to go through it.
Yeah, so the contract that is scheming, I never will check. I was checking the important part dine samwimbi ane ukonyongo sign iwe ningazimisa ngongwa.
Yeah.
Zine batu banje abazicheke singori. It's a 12 page or 13 page contract which has a lot of things. Fonti yole ngapa ine kubida kungapa kungona zingo to point is 6 7. So ugabo fi Mukosi, it was a contract in a oisaina the front page osaina mini shonisani.
Yeah.
Mini. She did that. And when you go down to the contract, you will see already Mukosi gave them rights. Gave them rights in terms of she will get 70, they will get 30, and anything else that anyone needs to talk to Mukosi about, if it's music, it has to come through them.
Okay.
So in terms of publishing, it's only them who can publish her music. Because
yeah.
she gave them consent.
So she gave them publishing rights.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
When it comes to publishing rights, how much do they own?
Somewhere 30 and something. But the whole point is she will not release something without passing through them. So hence they will go and say, they
will take it down.
But she has released some songs. In terms of performance, they have to take care to the performances,
which they were not doing.
Yes. So if anyone aya performing which means she owed them money, technically, because according to the contract, she needs to be taken by them.
No,
whether they take her or not, they will need their commission.
Yeah, I mean, like what I'm looking at is if Bawa Kwamba Zori maybe Gorea wo anga konumi sa pope to. I mean, because we know the gigizashi zama and most the fetu zine za what was the chimbira.
Yeah.
Winji azondi gigi zine za wori how can I put it? So ni wana dzi fhethu huṅwe kule man.
Yeah.
And ngaona muthu achiri goloi yanga ijeni ya. Come on. So I don't know how can she resolve this issue?
So the contract the 3 years oyisana nga 2021 nga November.
Okay.
So which means it could expire nga 2024 ngona that contract nga November. So the record label also can renew the contract nga ngwamuthi if they feel Roshimisana Zobuti. And in order to cancel, she needs to send them a letter prior and before to the expiration of the contract. So unless she goes to the court to say,
I'm not happy
like this, because contract can be terminated, but she will need to pay. It will need to be stamped down already. How much? Or terminate the contract or order 100,000 or terminate a contract in terms of can't touch corridor. So she needs to do that. And also another thing they already that contract uri oisaina
okambiwa.
And uri humwa is not her handwriting. So
and then if we can prove, she can prove uri as handwriting yawe.
So that will need to be proved at court.
Yeah. Definitely.
So she go to court or she wait for the for everything to settle. It's next year in November.
Yeah.
Otanya kabe ku draft rumwaro zwi.
Alusanda nga January.
Kamacheloni.
That's one.
This and this.
Nga one.
I'm about no urusenda this year in November.
The
day of the contract. The day of the contract.
Yeah.
So she needs to do that. So that's what the contract is about. So let's hope
she will be able to.
But she's crying
because hey man, like I said, I think record label arna artists in South Africa careers was offer because of these contracts.
Yeah.
Because record label ngani sign any shelf for mamun. On shelf anyway and chikimu chabali wana you can't anyoka ka top. Yeah, you're generous. But I mean, una office stadium to watamba 15.
Hey.
Ini ani ona ka 20. Ti una reserve. Una stage in. Ini no stand. You are just
a ticket.
Yeah. And you're paid. I mean, like let's look at right now. I see Uri Tukzin Mokozamori Arane through he's running through this wave Makhadzi trying to get attention. I mean, they're trying to use this whole thing Uri Ispane for Tukzin.
Yeah.
I like the boy. But sometimes near poster he can be arrogant. He feels he's a superstar. Come on.
So you're saying Arab Tukzini as a conveyor something is Kandalaninge Karakolebulu. Are we to send mini? Most people don't. You must expect what he posts.
Yeah, the way too much fingachine afin rangayo nas doing it sangayo suzwa way. The superstar ends of the wood. He made it. But the problem I have since you have this chividwa. Yeah. I haven't seen anything strong. The album you drop in Mukaba. It's nowhere, man. Banga diambabari, it's there. Yeah, somewhere kakuri we need to look for it. I'm not happy in Dorari. I was expecting the boy to be doing good. Look at Mukololo right now. Besides, you see all the beautiful pictures posted there. Let's make up Where's the music?
Mukololo ana music ne
Akopara. Look at all these guys, like all of them.
Mapara Jeze.
I saw they're dropping a single. On Friday. Dude, it's nowhere. I haven't heard it.
So, what's your take up on sa artist? Achi kolwana record label awiye kabatu. Are mini. Do you think about one impact in never got or record label? You can say
record label will just prove you are nobody. That's what they're gonna do.
Yeah.
When you fight with the record label, you need to be smart about things you say. Come on. If not, kada maifiano.
Because Mukosi went out, Bazuna Kwambazone, record comes impact ya batho ite yo
She just need a lawyer. You know.
Yeah,
the lawyers are expensive. Come on. They're definitely expensive.
hey, yeah, they're gonna go. Mara don't put up. Because back in the social media. Who post successes on social media? Is it a good thing or bad thing?
Everybody has their own reasons. It can be good for your image, can be good for levels, can be good during Hongo Filisa watu wafele and it depends on what do you want to achieve in your poster. You might post now on it works against you, maybe because of certain things. Come on. Maybe you're supposed to get a deal, now you're sharing the success of this other deal, and then now they can't give you a deal. So but
RJKZ sorry jana anwa. RJKZ ngofata. Na poster na re kendu yanga guy mini ndikuzipatela big house na mimi na poster kamsa material wofata na mimi nchivua machero na wana watu boda bokwasha edla zwithu ni blame anyi
any moon.
so okay.
Because remember unandara panda you find batu vanandara kuna zvinhu kuite sometimes you need to expose that to people varanandara kana vana vakuvona valanga ndira ipiyo vadha vaita zvino vakongoita zvona ukopona havana vatu vanotoita zvithu vakongo validation social media they can't feel complete usina muthu ambore
you are doing well.
Yeah, you're doing well.
Usaba na confident kai wamune.
Vamwe vakota validation because they don't have confidence.
Kana lutonga.
Vamwe avori vakota lutonga, vamwe vakongo vaisa vamwe vathu I'm better than you. Ngobona, vamwe vakota posta uri mini.
Kana ukoviso the X.
Avana vamwe uri
wow. No verera zvino.
Vamwe ndi appreciate, you know what guys, I've done this, I've hustled the minty. Ngobona. So appreciate what I do. Vashare after all this is what I have. But una reason zawe do share everything. Vamwe ndo divona zori mi avana vambara bongela mara mzani eno mara kenwa mara mzani ngori everything zvifundo zvapostiwa before zvichambariwa nwana wa masogisi mazvienda kindisi korara na zvibot ndo divona chimwana chimwe namsi arali khamsi ari akotamba ahwaye yanga apa abva chitu nono ofodiwa ko postiwa ambo the hwaye yakotamba. Some people they just want people to know. Remember this. Kare nanchiruva la diary ya muthu ndiri angasali tukukanya. Hano maduva na savala status cha muthu kana diary ya muthu anako posta. Ndi problem yako acha. Mara kare acha
basa odere ngangela somusho odere ngangela.
Why no posta so view.
Ni afoneliwa.
Na view. Why no posta chachela ndi view. Na posta chataburo na view.
Ndiri nasa comment na phone with uri ndiri ngani ngozivona zori he munhu ndo posta mini apo.
No,
mara zvino arali no posta something vatu vajena kwa mapungwa negative.
Not a negative. Ni posted watu va discuss bora ka status. Watu mo discuss.
Mara zvo ezo zvo zvavudi ngori vakondira zi likes.
Zi likes. I don't do it. They better.
Oh, zi likes.
They discuss. And then nazivona mama. You don't post as well. I mean like not whenever feel if they don't share nothing. I'll show you like this. Ngada muthu aposta rekomera ni posta ni vana vanori vona zori vona kozika gaya. Na une vajena nechikoro. Okay. Ningo posta chinepe cha mwana wa number and form. Na posta na location origina ga chikoro. Already na muthu ana ku share last two anoko post lantu ani mudivi. Ela post kana nosokode wana yo share.
Nendi vona uri hezo ziva zikopangana wana kandi.
That's what's happening. Na ka Twitter now. Mundu so da poster ndi khomero vona zwinepe zwa vona mbara mini skirt.
Naka Facebook it was on.
Naka Facebook
nambara mini.
Nambara mini. Ni one bodo online watu wako poster wako share. I feel namsiko ko da zwa vana fedzi. Nako post and forgetting uri. You don't even know uri account ndi yanyi. They are filtering wako check. Next thing nicho for kidnap wa nicho do poster nicho mini.
Or arali na poster mwana wano comes for example kana poster something no poster girlfriend yami or the girlfriend na poster ngasha machero na poster na re kana ngana later na poster na re lo richiwa ngola mzana mwa ajena ari no nyelisiwa ba kaka kaka
na ro jero nga mumwe
are ro nyelisiwa ro mbona na nyinyi ubo kaka
actually ini no poster
advertisement. One thing people forget, Ndiori, social media works as advertisement, communication, distribution, and a hell lot more. Come on. Ka TikTok wange ndona mutu offer mara ukote wa hogidi mako forda. As chongona chingo ndri. Ni diva zoro jena nga 5 o'clock wachi watch ko tamba.
Yeah.
Achipedza achambara achibva ndonoko shutiwa chimwe chimwe nduri you even know uri muno baba ngokwamisa the life yori. If you look back in the days of celebrity, it meant something.
Yeah,
these days of celebrity na nyinyi uramba bora hapo mdavini odumo tarata njote.
And about to Anoma Dubai, that was about this thing. The two zwiving man. Arali chitu chaba na watu banji bena kujifollow way. Utonga china machaba chone.
Cash.
Nikongwana. For example, tabo besta offer was offer zone oita mini. Man the photo chiali blindy. No vajele tagwa ngibona. Ngongwana. Lembra lembra Jesio dura. Blueberry. Nikobori mara
last week you read example ga shebe sheet
na the food.
Hey,
watu wako mko no ala dia shebe lari au capillary.
Urubuya.
Ndolubuya ko professor ndobuya.
Ofaro mtu.
Sino baga bail,
abara rango fari wa mtu senga.
Ndonori senga. They was watu wako jana wako comment wako amberedwa. They blind. Okay. I don't know what come to all this, to all that. Baba ngange no shebeche. Come best. The blind only one.
You know so. Rather than for day no kangwa, no kodola pala, no bisamaro. No more.
Out of everything, I don't know. But the truth in theory, social media is good, it's best, it's bad, it's hell. So it's everything that you can think of, depending on the questions are.
Come on. Last week kwambori nandi abo omekepwa na mina. So ndopfa muwani nge murwani wazijeleni ila pungo oli bisera kagari. So nichia court you are allowed to wear whatever you want. Para South Africa. So ara na Gucci yanu you can wear your Gucci. And jera ningenga ngomu unazi activities of mana ngongwana. Unabatu boruka bogera mini ngore the party of mini rehabilitation. So already unamtu uruka ninge wani ruka ngongwana nyaruki na the makeup artist aningeje. So nsongo mangara ntobambara the blueberry nto opoponi wana mina jere fuza suzione you are allowed. I think American dune une I don't know far away niambara uniform yaninge bano bari no you wear whatever you want. It's either ngombara Gucci mangirasi mini
na rosrega
Marazino but they were not easy. Kwambara the Gucci the Uzi the whatever. Don't you think it's sending a wrong message to baranganda or ngangomu we are different?
No, Marazino, it comes back to knowledge.
Social media.
As an individual, you need to educate yourself.
God does way.
If anamsi had the police alani misafadon. America name song a police unless akoni farai, you don't have to say anything to that police officer. Marafano, miro I fan One. Police Adapa, he's allowed to ask you anything. Aribasa ni umpa bas. America ribasa ni anana. So it comes back to an individual. Individual need to educate themselves.
Out here the area the prema mavele. Ikisika yani avana argument kakani yola chira de mini. Me avana moderi. Broka. Zawazichi dam zimziko fly. Kala watu jinenga gete. Wajina ngaru wondo.
They are allowed.
Bachi fupa fine. Bachi fupa ngaru wondo ni. Wako kupera ngangyo na zibof banga. Ngono wena. Cause kumbani zwangwa. And epezo di unguru na di relax. Ayeto yo future ke.
So umfi police komuno re abafethu una danger kana uko suspect something. They can act however they want. Mara they must not put much force.
And wasongobe mtu in danger. Yes. Mara ndaba ndiho ribo kupela ngwani. Yo problem kurone na manda.
Ngore imagine ngomundu ni afazi kubuya uko ruwa mtu. But man then forget. They need to jump. One, they need to jump to save whatever is happening.
Get on na mrao no ikora sungukio. Wala wo jeno ngapanda.
They don't care.
Wa khorose ne bona ruko bako se ala wo jump out. Bako roma ruko se hori. Nani ni dani. Wo jump na mdini. Tu fajina mdini wa next door. Bako no jump na ngafa. Hello don't get any. Bako disechere. Getro haruna na ganje. Ela getro na mdini na unafuna gete. Just ngori. Una chitu chine chia push wo charo khwir. Charo cha khwir. Marai. Achano wona gete. So sa ro zenge na lo dradolo nembere. Tawu ya bot.
Hey, una ngwa othinga ngekasini yanga venda. Ndobone post wa mro baphi. Umuntu kana wo thoma ula 500k na 2 days.
Anga 1 million.
500k na 2 days. Oyifedza yote.
Tana ponga for 1 million nga 4 days.
500k.
Ponga war 1 week.
Ora say wa bad man. Ora nga goloi. Akofara nga dzigoloi. Zinodzo humisa dzirengisa. Kamsora nga gurenga 100,000 erengisa. Humisa not chibanga kamsi 3 wege. Na rengisa 50,000. Then 50,000 nanda wana illa.
Hey.
Hala mfora nga goloi mbili. Zoto dzumisa.
Sembora nga gole maybe 200,000.
100 something.
Happen ko do for awon muntu odio 1 million nga 4 days.
The more I blew it all. This is over. Yeah. This is over. Is that over?
2 days ni ko ibona ini. To me roi manye. Ni ko 2 days ini.
And then last time rivenda kumbuzo ri ayichele dziko dobva mini. Ndaramgano wanga. Nilezo buti. Ngori tonga hono bva imwe. Ayirwa zvimwevo ungwana. Eyebo sa imwe futhi. Aramgano wanga ndoguda mini. Anguguda. Amara ena yomutanzwe. Ayatanzwe.
Yomutanzwe akati.
Akubeya.
2 days.
2 days do wano tono ume. Ene hai okuveya.
Nani ko fazwa veke za milioni.
Yomutanzwa. Don't bra wini. No one 500,000. A lot. You're going to do a lot.
2 days.
Amara comes obviously people are just exaggerating. Ingana comes ubega na mwezi ngwana.
Nana fazwa veke ori.
Aingodzura.
A million gone.
Aingodzura yona.
Majida ko chimbe watu kwamba majida ko chimbe kwamba 2 days.
Ufacha nganga 100 rand ato. Paranga kamsi madi a 10 rand. Yeah. Avai. Ushimira chibabira. Ngana ndara nganga 100 rand.
Ndikola chichanga.
Don't want change. After a week. Say the end of or don't want change. Yeah, but hey, the one said I blew it. I blew it.
I'll break a record, woman.
I'll break a record.
we auto break a record straight
blind
straight to the core
mazo zvinoacha nachina chiti ugoseiwa futi hey ayo ndiye iri kufasa short ndobona mwati kuvugura bad ever aka Facebook ikwambore idea ya Sphathlo that KFC ndiyacho
nganga yeah I know zisibe na mina unazvitu zawe mara akwambura oi presenter khabo
bana
basi jere theory we're going to use this thing mara
maybe a cell phone
na I khabve khayo
mara umuntu okuclaima zithu zibili ngoba othoma aclaima ori logo ya SABC one
uri ndiyawe
zvino ori ya KFC
unola no kwambura logo ya SABC
ndimthi
azimthumthi
wa logo ya SABC wanokwambura oi designer kan 2016
yeah
hatu badriliwa orindira uchorindira chelede yawe from SABC one havana wakota nende koto mumbuzira haikota divhiseni khayo asikota yo associate wanayo ila
mara dzinozonaka
onaka ya advertisement yeba designer yone kuletha sikwaone tolongari koto kochiviwa
mara ndikwambura beni yawana una ushikashika ori ukobhadura vathu vatemini va back mouth
mara ngomuzori every single person who posta pitori achikwambura oyani
ndivi
mara namzofizla
mara baona bali vane voposta zvavudi musi kota yavudi
ndomutshombedza
vaone vaone voposta kota yavudi
nedzena tangana ngadzo Teffo
ndoivona
ndachipodazvikoda mini ndachimusokora type ori KFC kota hadzabva dzoda line
ola voposta zvavudi unaimwe wati kana ndi Chris Excel ambo dhiri suburb kota location kota ngwana mazori location KFC ya location varengise yaso
no suburb hela chiri suburb kota ti hela ndi original hela na electricity ndiye ava ichikobva ipart ya advertisement
no unaimwe yofora mwa utiso
angoditela ndikotoitoda nayo ndikotoitoda
yonosika ngapa
iti ntuni yakwatesta pitori
hey
and then arada zvino ikofera pitori
aidosvika nane
idorongongai
ndirenga veiwai
ini pitori rafona soweto mani soweto
upindi buga mtengo
atingochekana mutengo soweto rafuna kota ya madzendi rido ya madzendi zvototera kota ya KFC
mandi levels iti tinanyengoboniwa
ndakona kuzala madzi ndakudzala madzi afimini prime
aone chekasi
acho ananda pesa ndorenga imwe energy what vitamin what
aone prime iyo
chekasi yei antuni ngona
idazopera zorengeswa
okay ngori ndoyati kwangototume nditopfa zori because nesofadzi most of the vitamin water na dzimweni minti they all taste the same
mara ka prime upeona na difference yo expectiwa na difference checkers una difference color una difference font
so nazoitia mini I think roamba makungo last time zvifana na beer percentages zifani
na taste haifani
ngori black label yafano na black label ya gaigai azifani zvishuma muda yafano zori
shango na taste ngona ni na madhi ndokushuma kuti azifani ara natona ara nikonwa nitsedzentu Henneken ya chiwe ikobvana mibia ti na Henneken yafano azifani and nara chifavor mini ya Namibia ngori ndiyo nera rodowedzwa yona
fana na Amsterdam nayo yo change taste right panga cha Amsterdam yo fera if you remember
yo tuwa una hela ni chimazin good yatsimbela yachirwa munhu akhera mude achidzura PPD akonwa chipo restaurant achidzura PPD awoka yapindura ofira yani tikado ulewo munaita vangu yawadodza yawadodza chipuko la mundo
ngori ifi chibvai vatu vanyongoriza mu replace
Yeah, they replace. Yeah, they replace Amstel. Yeah, jenga kule. Taizo banti. Ngona brutal 80.
Mazo bathu vanje vachazi order zvino. Mara kama mashango dziho.
Yeah.
Brutal 80.
Ufika utsa zvino percentage.
You drop a percent.
Renga last.
Eh.
Rudzuranga riri vana vachikoro vane
La wine yachifika mbalumwe. Toros.
Watu South Africa va adjust. Watu wa South Africa va adjust nediva. Nduri chichiswa ti. Chava kamba mara obero ngamazini gold. Chava kamba.
Ngone zidaba.
Sichipedza vakamba chachitwi. Ba adjust mu media doela ra chini. Nganda amazini gold.
Na maybe and amazini gold.
Niwabudzisa voraswa tani udzanga amazini gold. Wachimo varenga full chicken. Na vuswa. Before vachinwa.
Roli kwa lipo last time. Rakabanga. Amazini gold. Roli kwa.
Ya enda. Ya romu ologura Pinville. Aya Protea South. Ako to ya Pinville. Ada Protea South. Ika muracha wa range. Uko to ya gai.
Uko yange ani ayange.
Uko to yange. Ayange. Ngene uzanga amazini gold. Ela tinga story. Ela twela yaka. Ela tachikandila.
Rona dzino dzibia mara amazini gold. Ngawana akupika msi ndingaiwana haro ani. Ndofara 50 rand.
Ndingaerenga.
Yeah.
Two
beds. Arari kadiva the same. Nikande guminu ati.
Ivo kondowana.
Kondowana na marinse kutangana ngana.
Mara if kadiva the same, 2 is enough. Ngawana brutal 8 is you saying 2 was enough. Mara zone nona 6 ya. It's good. Ngana 6.
Passing shot wamba waraso. Kaya woshika waraso ngage. Ngopani kwa mapungo the pothole.
Pothole. Ufina narugisa pothole.
In moon.
Ngotipa badani hapo ngotozotipa. Nina munandu.
Kanjani.
Yeah, it's illegal. It's illegal urugisa pothole. Inachira de ara donchinya there ne claim. Mara the one after guy on the one after 7 years.
Una queue, una line.
Una line wenda halfway.
Mara zino arari ne apa gisilanga una pothole go disturb night hiyo.
Anivari.
Zindiri change disturb.
Fimura uri arari nawa ningotiwa pothole na murandu. So mbudzisi yavo yori oyo ani akotiyo itiwa pothole ngori hako itiwa hana murandu na.
Mara wafaro murai. Nazo wachifara. Ari jeni ni ngotiwa pothole. Na itiwa ngandera ine. Aingotiwa ya sharp. Kongwana. Mumtu adakanda asazunzo una pothole. Aitia something kai. Ela pothole iyo ni apadhani. Iyabonala mtu angasikande. Why avoid? Mazori ini. No vala butanzi. Pothole. Mtu asikaita mini. Adaita mini. And I claim me.
No kukurwa rungana nga pothole ngochimbira.
Ndiri angasi claim ngori pothole yo vali. Udu claim mini.
Mara still.
Ngwana, udu claim mini ngasina pothole. Yo vali. Mara isingo valwa zwa wudi.
Still iba idofuta uya umela kauri. That's a varela pothole. Oya bana ma pothole mangala na pala. Kadzi robot, nika pocha robot dama. Nichiko bani south. Ela pothole norwa gulinjisa.
Haila si pothole. Hela ya mulindila. Nanti jana na guma somewhere. Kama gone.
Gulinjisa pala nazo paka side nzoro matera aka right speed.
Haila mulindi.
So imagine if nana kana shikoshara shava mutava kana mava. Ngana senori. Guri kufuka zvabuda. Ati kwakwasha rima kwakwasha.
No, mara arala mutava usungoto kwata zvabudi. Mukaska kanda. I claim ngore.
How claim? How claim?
No, you're telling you pothole.
Ufuna uclaim Makhadzi pothole. Zono asokanda yo pothole. Nango chipi ngona ti. Oy elukisa ndiana nokutoyitani umubhathela ndiano echiwela ori mini holani ave sokubona ori
ngona
mwana ona mura unyana ono ndi hayi
nicho claim pothole neyo niko wana chede after 7 years ni number trillion 252
ngamulayo bana ngamulayo ne ara kuna pothole. You go to government what you report the pothole. That's what you need to do.
Ila
uso nibe mulayo sondanizwa beiwe
So kongo muzore zi pothole zotsadzira afa za kuvalwa
you claim, you take a picture.
yone imwe ndizori nenashidiwa ngova ndichikobva jabulani unanzi roboto dzineni chiri right
pala mukati pala
nivanuka vafukei robot ladzo yavafukei enela ntenela ela pothole asi pothole apala going to like ndi uso mara motiva and atikobona zori
ndiko something hangeni hamen Gale wota hampu ngachepisi arali nari ningo yanga ngamen Gale ningo vale ko fisa zwavudi niyawana hampu ya afala na men Gale afala badani
Komba guy.
ya vale khona nge yangu
Ashuga.
ila hampu yange venda ti nakanda ngafa elele ndundu mulera ngange
Mara ndimubuso wita out
ndiko
kono claim
nepata ti zozele nepata rongo ndofeka kwa guringa fast
ndimubuso wita onya kono claim ai
kono okay what do we vende varonga badra pipi
ai lo yara shikwamba nga pothole abadde bavise kagara
ruzipera ndinozivona zvomwariwa kanewspaper pfi illegal so
ufimi ni raso
abadde ngagenda the famous raso
abadde ngagenda bapha
pothole atere first depend on pothole guy atere ngazibhadha so unadzibhadha za national unadzibhadha za provincial unabhadha za municipality atere
avana bhadha za zvitenzi
hezvo zvinitusa uri za state za municipality ni claim guy so pothole or pothole ari iyo nemthuli
na pothole
ya reportiwa vasate you can feel it in munhu una court judgment ivile yori you can no feel not to pothole you can claim from the government the money that you have used to nifilela pothole
inyari na baki
ngosifesesa so arali mumuthu ayafila pothole ila asayifile zvone kana ayifila the way ayifila ngayo mumuthu still an accident or something uclaima still ka municipality or ka government ngori ndivone muchimo wavo is their duty to do that hayi kha ula muthu akumitigata situation this mitigation so potholes ari vajela pothole gore yavo ya tantu vaclaima ka municipality minji vojobeka vokiruleni vana dzi email dzahone dzine
ni number of guy
foda chinepe na chitema chinepe china date na damage dzanu nasendera ngei vadonibhatira chelede
ni number of guy
vakozama ngandira zoti hupfi vakozama uri
number trillion
national ya Gauteng JRA ari ya road ngoraro but yes you can claim I will not claim because nema oyafilela pothole
ndiri aradha baki
voraso vachitama vori arali ye pothole yo claim yo ambiwa ngeni yako noifila ara sengwambiwa nyaifila futi
yeah zvafana azvitovana that much different
okay
you are mitigating
you are sorting out the issue
the situation so but it's advisable that you report it first but you know they won't come
una ava vanenge vawana hapa
vatadza kezvi ngange avo mashudu ngange vaipeche 1 2 3 4 ti edzi zvituku ezvi ndiri ubva hapo kusvika hapo lakambisi magamana uvele wele dini liuru vachaise vatuwe zvinofanwa semakuhani makona kule makona kule hangi kavo ndiase ndione voswerera tivatafula vanakisedzera vaswera asara zvitongwana zvila vaswera kela lihulu line vangadoliita
mara zvino ngavonori still if nanangasvika mori ikundistem aisawasimwe ari editini yanga ikundistem ndiyaivhala
ivharei hayi mataurizi yavuya ngangeni ngange anu nditosera Mozifa,
our fact checker,
Mr.
Mosika,
Rasho,
our
the
lawyer.
biker boy.
Yeah.
Na
Nichisola
musiboda ngatututu.
kutanga tutu.
Uranga butu.
Para baji aone.
Warbaji
Let's
aone.
pointer. Pointer.
Yazi mozipi njezo.
Hey pointer na ibura ya imayote. Ya imayote so ngambira yo mongayo.
Nabele gondo ya mutu.
Ibrahim. Literally passing shot wambabara so Makhadzi ndo mwana chiriko ya UK yange ndongandika Afro Jam.
Yeah, I saw that. And then ndawana watu wako Twitter vange vachikambori Makhadzi norwisa badi nga pepo afana fedansi performe. Avoko bva mafungo Makhadzi ango performa because of okambiwa. So ango that stage ini. So I did some digging. Don't understand or atokangwa. Rariko wano no problem yo vanti. Gig yo planiwa gig yako tovaranga 2. Nda kufisa zone. Ejo tovaranga 2 Makhadzi was at stage. So one problem at time management from the organizer. Zuza CI over agorweni or in the original stage. Gigi ya shika heya valiwa. Ngama polisa. Is asa tu ya stage. Zuza siya zukuri ata remini asya perform. Fedzi zozo ambiwa ngange stage ni. Ngazi MC na newe ambazone. Zuza zuko siya zuko neya Makhadzi. Come on. Nani chumla na rekamsi ni close mic. Ya udorai bangeni number last.
Ndi mic ovule yao.
Ni mic ovali wao.
Ovule yao.
Yeah? By the time I issue a statement, ndando no to the mafungo ndo eli.
Fact checker.
Statement cha orochi bado dzura nepa. Ako this message zoma ntuti. Yeah.
Fact checker. Pointer iko na mic.
Awazo kuona kwa zipi lepo.
Abara nditofara.
Una zipi njise hapo vitu.
Oh, ndikori una something zvishuwa na. I don't know that the official one but yes.
Yeah, also meso rinene, also meso ngave mapolisa.
And show yakuti yoba ke less starter.
Yeah, let's.
Yes. So onosumesa issues authorities or wana problems authorities and stuff like that. But or kuite mshow ya free. And uko accommodator now everyone they come for free. Oh enenge uko ita for free. I forgot I did start mention tina chwa noni rochi bada maro uko ita show free ucompensate the fans zawe they disappointed nga so site yake Leicester but I shaba Leicester iko yaka imwe venue.
So nona nichamudare kamsi hoba na mdawe ya closed mic. Naona mic chipo valiwa.
Owo yanga closed mic nanga Makhadzi.
Hey event yoba organized before
Ashivange.
the whole drama.
Fact checker.
Hey, I know.
The event is never.
But still, I have to put answer memory. Oyanga open mic kana.
Whatever release or requiring. So obviously, contractual sign before event, before chiba na drama, na story, na mafungo, na nyanga. If you sign iko sign under open mic, all two shangai. So more wako
why is that meant so much open mic shangai straight?
Some more feel out they don't release like before. Why it tells you to no re abako share. Nanga one woman sure no said that Suzinji. They were not even bothering to share. Nia wana or release wana kana track na wana wako sawa share after 2 weeks. It's nothing new.
Fact checker. Lobia kabo.
Biker boy. Watu wabona munena na mabutu afori. Wana wana mela tutu fanda me.
Abe kama vofanda mazwite.
Azwite kama vofanda
azwite.
Duri kana ndichikepeni.
Azwite society.
Kana ndi badani kana ndi goroini kana ndiga. Unazo zunika fanda me.
Azwite society.
Azwite Ela tanga liki. Durine ngona vanhu urodzera movie. Ngawoni madaucha uri ndafanda. Ora ndura sininti ina wata 30 seconds. Pada vela blind man. Fanda mina itamba imwe spinning round kita vile ari stretch ari hiha ka ubane fundi ane vala
azvitei oraso azvitei ndibhaji yafandame ndaona noreviewa track yarukid nyasebenza.
Oh yeah, I just did a little bit on the music video.
Yeah, video.
I think it's official.
Yeah.
But yeah, I did check it out. The only thing I have a problem with Panondiori shoot a music video. Ow, anikonu shumisa the chair the Japanese are fake. Maybe the shoot at the music video kana me. End up always go shumisa the dollar. That's the only things bored. Can't we find our own money in the Fandatrika. It's I don't go withdraw check. That's the reason Kespoya withdraw the 10 randa. I don't know 10 randa.
Ndikombura na tonga na McJ na CJ aba withdraw chere dengi mapolisa adamini mini
no ovana I think osuka ngona kona case kana chifidzi ngo za fake ona chere za fake mara vamwe vari ndidzone havana zvakotreza ka Facebook uchifi nyinyi ojemwe yaringanga yo venda ngesi job yarufuni achiranga wana onori munhu wachipora chiri yes wrong money wena uringisiranyi vari CJ nyinyi wa CJ
dollar rengi fana
vamugidimera havana mafungo nyana fedzi ya zosika zvapi so ari tobona cherede. But beside that the video is colorful. It's bragging about money. The storyline was not too long, was very short. Atiko domanga magwinyo officer wori magwinyo officer ndri ndrila hachu ngobona mus so wana magwinyo officer nefala music video was like
kuna sana verse ya
mass the different like Yori okay, you know that time when the track is here and then nichi pull that what I mean mana kamsikoda murudziko dia untan 30 inatovya zvabdinga kombole ya base mara nisivia na drop a track and nato jena shifted and but in like voice ya with the way na jena ngayo ne it was so perfect man, it blended orwa ngwendi ile ine na mibala ya pinky chena pinky afa
Wara so bisoma jisika nari kwamba ngauri nga court case ya senzo ne rikwambura wala banna the accused out one mulando zone mara bajele hey yaba bazbabi checker
awala watu bajele not nga case ya senzo bana dzi case as murder dzavo na dzi robbery
okay
asinga case ya senzo ndi mtu mthipedzi apala wako try wana bail ane I think uone nga case ya senzo
ujele nene
I think the accused number 2 if not mistaken but it's one person nga case ya senzo wala abala bangwe
azibabini afukisa ko uthi azibabini arame ngono umthiyene
look akarede unazi bail zinezi kuti uzi apply we akotodova so I think we'll try apply bail but still ako win ngauri
ako wina ngami
atari bail unazi dodombezo ko requirements za bail
unazi term and condition
arali uri no let me give you example arali case ya murder schedule 6 offense iri uri ni venga bail ni dio sumbedza exceptional circumstances why ni dio vani nda niko say
na address
so arali uri anishumi anina mwana anina musadzi anina chikazi zvizikonda nga mando rini prove exceptional circumstances. It's not just circumstances, it must be exceptional.
Okay, ala mafungo pfi namsini kwetoda vari address na rini chief amba address vato vacho validate vange mdini vari hai ari mudivi.
Yes, address, that's the first thing. Arari unable to stable. So like bangwari bacha bakatoda ngozi mchipezi banga aunori vandopuwa bill Guri ava stable. Mar address, but we don't put a stable. We know we're gonna find you. If Nasata will know where we're gonna find you. I don't run and stable.
Oh, Jumbo that's why we worry, but don't wanna send it.
Yes, offer address ya senteni.
Yeah, validate.
Ya validatiwa. Or the codes run nema. And then
Gale.
and the example man. The codes run nema senti. The reporter police station ya sente. Are the conditions are ordered. Don't know the conditions are ordered. But they will know reporter.
Yeah.
So why Teffo besta then I go to apply a bill? I'm not going to fariwa.
No, Teffo besta.
I'm going to do I miss running gay happy.
No, Teffo besta ngasa apply bill. How count bill?
No, mara oruhana ri apply bill.
No, there was no way you do apply bill.
Mara ohana obutsiwa ari hayi.
No, tiri una mlandu una vakhawo zwino wa abetin. Atiri. Oro shava jere. Yeah, oro shava jere escape from lawful custody atiri. So achiage panda hola magistrate. Uko werelwa mlandu wo ushava jere. Vola magistrate uku face up mlandu ori mini besta ushava jere. Not hil zwa zwimweni. So utomubuzisa that mbuziso uri uko bail or whatever. RA atiri ndiyapo prosecutor dokona mbori ha nerikwe opoza go room uteva jere for life.
Abasana prosecutor.
JRK yo.
No, I don't know mbuna prosecutor utofuna zori ho mutu koyu ukoto sema for life.
Jaja poteri. Jaja poteri.
No, Buso don't Buso every time the procedure.
Hey, Teffo, don't want to open it. Right, or they made a Sphathlo. Meyiwa happy. This is not Meyiwa's case. Sphathlo Meyiwa's case. Meyiwa is not here. Sphathlo.
Hey, Marala muna the way ne approve ayodi. Sometimes I'm gonna expose ara nisa.
Our fine you all of I'm fine you. I go to fine you all of them.
What do you suspend or unsuspend rula? Hey, the pandera pandera.
Yeah. Fact checker, I will check. I will check again. Anything you want to say before she faranga waraso?
I don't know.
Yeah. I was very about in Germany.
That's some
bonus of visa to man. JR player na
casual.
JR player na vinanye.
JR player na Rachakil.
Yeah. Nice one.
The boys
were even blind. Not who we when they were blind. I think we blind. We rather was a
Nangori, if you listen to in a JR player, the boy have matured, man. Penny aonia ifazori akungona nsuza way. Zuna thickness.
That makes sense.
So no. And then Rachakili then as for experience count. Rachakili angamba fora. Maralina kisa nasifichitu.
La dahe.
Ngobona. The experience never nacho. I think have done great. Nakailand the whole EP. For me, it's not an EP. There's no way that's an EP. That's a full album.
Not an EP.
Nah, it's not. It's not. If we're using what in EP is, that's an album.
And
Mara. Beside that, man, I give them 10, man.
Yeah,
I can play that thing the whole day non-stop. I'm expecting some dope music videos.
Yeah.
I'm hoping those guys bakweta to ya wona track line kumela msibana root kid chipidi man, if you listen to that thing deserve so much, man. Now the lyrics don't have zifa uchikofinda muda frya ndaita mini ndati
frasa makumba.
Yeah, hey.
Like any vernacular hip hop as we know in South Africa,
people are free to speak. They are not like magara kalera nje mramba maifi nango shawuri hey ndo se ngwafu
ndabona
no zione ara kwa TV ro radio ro kana dzimwe platform mara ngamba ezo humwe petu ti ndizwe ezvo man vangotsi god kan singili
Ora so ready.
Ari singila.
Ready kana rival. Yeah, but they were budze nga hathabo besta. Teffo, usingathabo besta man.
nga Teffo
Nga Teffo, ori Teffo utangana nini?
no bamba
Ora rengelo zokubona lesi.
Ndikuzibona asiyeni.
Asiyene.
Jena Toro jena shophoni mabana bathi why nisa nthembi uri jena shophoni
Ezo. Hayi. Yezwi hayi yezo.
maduna ya noni
Ezo shema yezo zingangari. But be surprise.
mubira sitsimbi mfana
Ora Teffo utangana nini?
mubira sitsimbi
Oh, we are on.
Yeah.
On case ya Senzo. It's a drama there. And Victoria is a drama. Or maybe it's because it's on TV, eh? Everyone wants to be an actor. That's like I say, they're acting.
Nantu ako appeal ako re asingo televisiwa na audio singo.
Yeah. It's a drama. But hey, Teffo, he made a U-turn. Teffo is the disbarred. He's disbarred advocate.
Okay.
He's not supposed to practice.
Okay.
But he appeared robed, wearing the fighting kit.
Yeah, no graduate.
Yeah, fighting kit. And then he appeared, he said, no, he's under the instruction of Sifiso Miwa, who I understand is the brother of,
the late Senzo.
Yes. The process is simple. If you're appearing for the accused.
Okay.
It's either accused 1 or 5. Not the brother of the state represent the
case.
The one who have been murdered or whoever who have been wronged against. That's where the state present that. That's why you have advocate Baloi.
Yeah.
So this man called Teffo Masilela, I appeared there. Guys, and then people were surprised. They sent emails and everything to law side to ask, can't you what's happening with this case? Because this guy has been disbarred. And then they issued a statement and they said, from there, this guy is disbarred, he's not supposed to appear. And then what they did now, they went and opened a case now of contempt of court. Because in contempt of the court order, he's not supposed to appear, he's not supposed to take any instruction because he's disbarred. So if he will be found guilty, which they will find him guilty, yes, he might be jailed for even a period of a year for that being in contempt. He's already disbanded. He's already disbanded already. It's not that you don't appear and say this is my license to appear. You understand? Yeah. So the hearing, this is on the 23 of May, 2023, yes, of him for case of contempt, because he's not supposed to be to represent any person
or to appear anywhere.
Take any instruction from any person. You are disbarred, like you are like. So yeah, that's what happened in Senzo's case. It's a it's a drama.
Nanga zina ndidukwa sola ndingona ndo mahongoni ndina ma bishop of men Gale muviri asitsimbi vachu vakoto zvibona reonetiwa musanda vakola kokodza nga diesel hele yo fedzisela ndiyamba masarela vapfe afula diesel pambiso vakoto zdivonera yes yo fera we are here dota difandame na mendanga